Hey everyone! Welcome back to Vivid Yarn Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet using the corner-to-corner method, or C2C for short. This technique is super fun, great for blankets, graphgans, and even scarves. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through it step by step. Here's what you'll need. Worsted weight yarn in any color you like. A crochet hook. I'm using a 8mm for this tutorial. Scissors, yarn needle for weaving in ends, and that's it. C2C stands for corner to corner. You start at one corner of your project and work diagonally in blocks or squares until you reach the opposite corner. It creates a beautiful diagonal texture that's perfect for color work and graphs. Let's start with the first tile. Make a slip knot and chain 6 as a starting point. In the 4th chain from the hook, make a double crochet. Then double crochet into the next 2 chains. That gives us our first block, 1 tile. To increase your rows, first, turn your work in chain 6. In the 4th chain from the hook, make a double crochet, then 2 more double crochets, just like before. Now slip stitch into the TH3 space of the next block. We're going to build the diagonal in this direction. Chain 3 and work 3 double crochets into that space. And this is the second row that is the orange one from the diagram. Now let's make row 3. Turn your work and remember, when we're increasing, we always start a row with 6 chains. Now again, as each increasing row, make double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. The chain where your hook is doesn't count. Double crochet into next 2 chains to close that tile. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 space of the next block, just as we did before. We're following the blue row from the diagram on the left. Chain 3 and work 3 double crochets into that space. We made the second block. Slip stitch into the chain 3 opening. We're starting the 3rd block from the blue row. Chain 3. And again, 3 double crochet. And we finish the 3rd row. Continue increasing like this. Turn your work, chain 6, and make 3 double crochet starting from the 4th chain. This is your first tile from the rows of increase. Once your piece is the size you want, it's time to decrease. To decrease a row, simply turn your work and don't chain 6. Instead, slip stitch across the top of the last block you made. That's 3 slip stitches. Then slip stitch into the next chain 3 space and continue with your usual block. Chain 3, 3 double crochets. Continue building the next blocks as the increasing part across the row. Slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Chain 3. And make 3 double crochets as usual. Continue like this, making the blocks until you reach the end of the row. When decreasing, remember, you start the row with 4 slip stitches, and building the tiles across as usual. When you're down to your final block, fasten off and weave in your ends using a yarn needle. And you're done. You've made your first C2C square. Quick tips. Use stitch markers if you lose track of corners. C2C is great for making graph patterns. You can create pictures or text using color changes. Practice small squares before jumping into a big project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet videos. Got questions or want me to show how to do color changes in C2C? Leave a comment below, I'd love to help. Happy crocheting and see you next time.